Thinking about joining CapCut and want to create your own account? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will guide you through the process of creating an account in CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. There are many options to sign in, but for this demonstration, I will use my email. Tap on Sign in with email. Enter your email and create password. Now, tap on Continue. Here, you have successfully created an account in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.